My topic of inquiry was based on high quality arts education. My goals really are to increase stakeholder support for the visual arts. And in order to do that, I think it's important that we understand what the expectations are from as high up as district, executive district members, school board members, all the way down to the ground. So I wanted to know what kind of expectations do the staff have in order to have buy-in from them. They make leadership decisions at the school site level that impact scheduling, number of preps, resources. In order to increase enrollment, we need to know what parents as stakeholders expect from an arts education program. And in order to ultimately increase funding and grant opportunities, we need to present information that shows that we have high quality arts education. But ultimately, all of the stakeholders involved are not arts educators. So it was important to me to know what is their understanding of a high quality arts education.